Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to install IPTV Smarters Pro on Firestick and mobile. Before starting the video, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and if you need any IPTV subscription, you can contact me at WhatsApp. I will provide you. My WhatsApp number available in the video description. Let's start the video. First open the downloader app. If you can't have, you can install it from App Store. Then click on search and put that code that I put. After that, it takes 5 seconds to start installing IPTV Smarter Pro. Now you can see that the IPTV Smarter Pro is start installing. Just to clarify that if you are watching this video after few months, the code may not work. In this case, contact me at WhatsApp. Now you can see that I have opened IPTV Smarter Pro. Simply click on Extreme Code API. Here you will need username and password to add your playlist. If you cannot have any username and password, you can contact me at WhatsApp and I will provide you. Thanks for the watching.